Today's tip is to start your day with delight. Self-discipline. I don't know about you, but the word just kind of sounds yucky to me. It makes me think about restriction and deprivation. Not doing the thing you really want to do. Instead, doing the thing you don't really want to do, but think you should do. I mean, that's pretty much what it is. By definition, self-discipline is the ability to push yourself forward, stay motivated, and take action regardless of how you're feeling physically or emotionally. Practicing self-discipline in this way is the classical approach to reaching your goals. Set a goal, line up the things you need to do to reach that goal, and do the things each day, whether you feel like it or not. It falls in line with the old adage, no pain, no gain. But it also kind of trains us to feel bad about the things that make us feel good. Of course, yes, in life there are things we have to do even though we don't really want to, like clean toilets or do the laundry again. And let's face it, we're not always going to want to work out or choose the salad instead of the fries. But when it comes to setting and working towards achieving goals, I prefer delightful discipline. With delightful discipline, you're moving forward and taking action just as you do with self-discipline. You're just focusing on doing more of what makes you feel good and feeling good about more of the things you're doing. Make sense? Maybe not, but let me explain. Delightful discipline can be practiced in two ways. First, by reframing what you need to do to reach your goals. Let's take weight loss as an example. It's a pretty common goal. We do know that weight loss is basically the result of moving more, increasing your activity level, and eating less, decreasing your calorie intake. Of course, it's a little more complicated than that, but bear with me. When you're practicing delightful discipline, you look for an activity that you enjoy doing, or you do an activity with someone you enjoy being with. You find some healthy foods that you enjoy eating. Yes, trust me, there are some. You choose to have a few French fries after you eat the salad, and then you take the time to really enjoy those fries. Delightful discipline practiced in this way means that you're moving forward and taking action, and you're feeling good physically and emotionally about it. The second way to practice delightful discipline is to start your day with delight. When you start the day with delight and feel good right off the start, discipline will follow. Starting your day off by doing something that makes you happy means that you're in a better mood and a better frame of mind, so the things that come up later don't feel like such a chore. In fact, researchers at Harvard wanted to know if there was an amount of time each day that you needed to devote to activities that make you happy. It turns out that as little as 20 minutes a day doing something that makes you happy can change your entire day. So, what would that look like? Well, you could listen to a playlist that makes you happy. Send a compliment text to a couple of friends or family members. Read a funny book or a blog, or even just sit for a moment and ask yourself, what am I looking forward to today? If thinking about something to do in the morning that delights you feels overwhelming, start by just finding delight in something you already do in the morning. Delight in the taste of your coffee, or how happy your dog is when you set down their bowl of food, or what the sky looks like when the sun comes up. The poet Ross Gay wrote a whole book on this called The Book of Delights, a collection of essays about joy and delight, where he talks about appreciating the smell of fall, or the intricate maneuvers of beetles and flowers in his garden, or the birds chirping in the trees. So instead of setting goals and practicing self-discipline, charging headfirst into them, white-knuckling it till you either reach them or give up in misery, try practicing delightful discipline. Do more of what makes you happy each day. Find ways to enjoy the process on your way to that goal. When you start your day with joy, the discipline will follow. Willpower not required. Thanks so much for listening. I'd love to hear from you, so send me your tips, questions, or feedback. You can find me on Facebook and Instagram at Fired Up Fitness Coaching, or email me at willpowernotrequired@firedupfitness.ca. Thanks so much. I look forward to connecting with you.